Hi guys, I am preparing for a pregnancy from my embryo transfer that happened a couple days ago. I'm going to show you how I make my beet juice. I still have a little bit in there, so I'm just going to add to it. You're supposed to take beets. I've got a little bit of beets cut up here. I am in Mexico, so beet is betabel, in case you are asking for it at the store. I'm going to throw the beets in. I am eating my, they say you're supposed to cut a pineapple into 5 pieces and eat it, including the core. I'm currently working on that. So I do have a little bit of pineapple left I'm going to throw in there, but I don't usually do that. And then the other thing that it calls for is ginger. We're going to throw in some ginger. I got a couple pieces of ginger and watermelon. So the core ingredients are watermelon, which in Spanish I believe is sandia, and then beet, which is betabel, and then ginger, which is jimbre in Espanol. But if you're not in Spanish, I guess these words don't matter. But I mean, if you're not in Mexico, these words don't matter. So anyway, we're throwing in we gotta get our seeds out of the watermelon. So we've got beet, watermelon, ginger. And then because I'm in Mexico and because progesterone makes me so stopped up, this is a piece of Nepalese cactus, a cactus petal. I put a little bit in there for digestion. And then another thing I put in there, I read online that I have some chia seeds, so I'm going to put some chia seeds in there. I read online that people are having a hard time getting this beet juice down. I mean, these ingredients are so tasty to me, but let's see, I happen to have some spinach, so I'm going to throw some spinach in there too. But a lot of people don't find the taste of beet tasty. So I have some vanilla flavored collagen whey powder. It also has amino acids in it, if I can get it open. And that's all it is collagen, whey, and amino acids. So I'm going to put that in there because it tends to make it taste a little better. And because I brought it so that I could have collagen. Let's go ahead and use it all. And then I think you need some liquid. So you can use almond milk, water, or I have some fruit juice here that I'm going to add to it because I don't want the blender working too hard because it's not my blender. And also that beet is hard to blend up. Now this recipe is usually recommended to juice, but once again, I'm in an Airbnb in Mexico, so I'm just gonna do like I do every day, and that is blend it up. This Airbnb has a blender, and so that's great. At the same time, I'm gonna eat my pineapple, but like I said, if you wanna throw your pineapple in there, it'll be tasty too, I promise. So let me know how you make your, I would say also that these ingredients have actually been studied. The study can be found, I think, on PubMed. Just search for beet juice after embryo transfer. It has been proven that this mixture, which is the core mixture of beets, ginger, and watermelon gave women like an extra 5%, gain in implantation rates. So it's not much, but I mean, the ingredients are healthy for you anyway. They're gonna help you with your digestion, so that's great, and getting your minerals. So, and then, you know, from there you can put whatever you want into it, but definitely beet, watermelon, ginger. I've also been taking my multivitamin and my folic acid and my aspirin and my estradiol every day, and then of course the progesterone. So I know there's some uproar online about folic acid versus folate. My multivitamin has folate in it because this is a good quality multivitamin. And so, however, my doctor said that the studies that have been done with folic acid, I mean, it's to stop neural tube defects, right? Or Down syndrome or something. It's to stop some sort of problem. So my doctor said that the studies were only done with folic acid, so he recommends folic acid. So what I've been doing is taking folic acid one day and taking my multivitamin the next day. Some people take them both, but I eat a really good diet, so I don't want to take too much. And I've heard that the folic acid competes with the folate, so just take folic acid on one day and take my multivitamin the next day. Take the aspirin every day, and I've been using some sort of fiber supplement because even with this, y'all know the progesterone will get you. It'll stop you up. Here's what my drink looks like. It's a pretty good drink. Thank you guys for watching. Baby dust to you all. This is a lot, so know that my thoughts and prayers are with everybody trying. The online Reddit forums are very helpful, and I have just been reading them every day. And make sure you watch your funny stuff because studies show that women that laugh after an embryo transfer have higher rates of success. I have a lot of videos on my channel about my fertility journey. You can find them by searching for the playlist IVF in Mexico on the Adventures of Drew and Amanda. Thanks for watching.